Hello dear students, welcome to the class today. So children, we are meeting after a long time. The last class that we have been doing, we were carrying on. We have started the second chapter from history. As you know, we are in the wake of completing the second chapters. So here I am with the second chapter in history. I am just giving you a brief recap of what we have done in the last class. So children, here in the last class, we have been talking about the European history. Actually, in this year, in class 9th, what we are doing is understanding the world history. Till now, we have been doing Indian history, where you have started studying history from class 6th, where it was ancient history, followed by class 7th, medieval history, and now we are here with the in 8th class it was modern history, and now we have the world history. Yes, of course, you should know something about world also. Everything about India is known to you now. You can answer the questions related to ancient history, where we can talk about the Mauryan dynasty, where we can talk about the Guptas, the Mauryas, we can talk about the Mughals, and we can talk about the Britishers. You have a lot of ideas about it. But then the history of the world, where in the first chapter, we understood the society of France. What was happening in France? How was the lives of the people in France? And for the first time, the revolution that had started in France, it had a deep impact on the historical aspects of the world. पूरी दुनिया पे उसका असर पड़ा. Yes, the incidents that had taken place in France, how the people responded to that, and what was the idea of the liberals, and the we had the people who were supporting the rulers also. So the regime, the old regime, the king's rule was finished, and the common people's rule was established. This is what we have done in the French Revolution. Children, socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution, we are understanding the Russian society, where when we had started the chapter, we tried to understand that in Russia also, there was a deep impact of the incidents that had happened in France. Yes, dear students. पूरा in simple if I explain, पूरी दुनिया हिल गई थी, तो रशिया कैसे अलग रहता. Socialism की बातें, little bit of discussions on socialism was happening in Russia as well, where revolution that had happened in France had a deep impact on the Russian society as well. Russian society was looking for a change. Many parts of the world, Europe, Asia, everywhere people were talking about changes, and people said कि अगर France में change हो सकता है, why couldn't it happen in our country also? So this is what that Russia में the society was divided into 3 groups. नहीं कहेंगे, actually it was ideology. We are talking about ideology, we are talking about the thought process. लोगों के सोचने का तरीका थोड़ा अलग था. Okay, the Russian people, they talked about liberalism. Some people were radicals, some people were conservatives. राजाओं का जो राजपाट था, उसमें जो लोग राजा के साथ थे, the people who were working with the king, they did not want changes. Yes, who doesn't like a comfortable life? So the conservative regime that was there, the group that was there, the conservatives that were there, they had a very different kind of a thinking, a very different kind of a process, which was influencing the thought process of the people in France, in Russia. And here we have the liberals, where we have talked about the liberal ideology who wanted change in Russia, but they did not support the voting rights for women. For every movement that was carrying on, women were part and parcel of each and every activity, political activity that was happening in the country. When women were part and parcel of each and every activity, then why they were not given the voting rights? That's a big question mark. We need to think about it. काम सारा करवा रहे हैं, हर तरीके से उनसे पार्टिसिपेट करवा रहे हैं, बट देन जब वोटिंग राइट्स की बात आ रही है तो विमेन वेयर केप्ट अपार्ट. विमेन को उन्होंने अलग कर दिया, एंड दिस इज व्हाट इज समथिंग दैट इज ऑब्जेक्शनेबल, एंड विमेन हैड ऑब्जेक्टेड टू इट. They were the liberals. First, we have discussed about the liberals. They were not Democrats. Their thought process was totally different. And they did not believe in universal adult franchise. This is what is the point that we are talking about. They did not believe in universal adult franchise. They wanted voting rights only for men with property. Now just see how the people who are in power are taking over the complete things in their hand. Property जिसके पास है, obviously those people are powerful. And they did not, they majorly thought that limited power should be given to some people and maximum power should be given to the people, to the men with property. ये देखो यहाँ पे very clearly it is mentioned that the major highlight was the power that should be given to the men with property. And voting rights for women, they did not support that universal adult franchise, as we have already talked about it. Radicals क्या चाहते थे? Radicals also wanted that okay, there should be a government and there should be an elected government, but they were the ones, they supported women's suffragette movement. They thought women should be also given the right to vote. Why not? When they are part and parcel of each and every activity happening in the country, why they shouldn't be given the right to vote? For that purpose, the radicals who were there, they supported the women's suffragette movement. And private property, they were not at all against the existence of private property. Private property तो होनी चाहिए, लेकिन they thought that वही बात है कि अमीर बहुत अमीर है, गरीब बहुत गरीब है. They means right now we are talking about radicals. Radicals thought that the great landowners who are there, the factory owners who are there, they are having lot of power and lot of money. तो उनको लगता था कि why concentration of wealth in the hands of few people? कुछ ही लोगों के हाथ में सारा पावर क्यों है? That was the thing that needed to be opposed. Okay, and 19th century तक what happened? They accepted that some changes were inevitable. कुछ changes तो होना ही चाहिए, changes उसको रोक नहीं सकते हैं, लेकिन इनको लगता था, radicals they always they dislike the concentration of property in the hands of few. अब क्या हुआ? We were discussing about 2-3 groups. हमने अभी तक किसके बारे में बात की? We have talked about liberals, radicals. Let's discuss some policies of the conservatives. Come, let's see. पहले तो conservative का मतलब समझो. Conservatives, yes, the people whose thought process is very limited. बहुत सोचने का तरीका अलग होता है. They do not accept the changes readily. सोसाइटी में अगर कुछ चेंजेस हो रहे हैं तो ये बहुत ज्यादा उसके फेवर में नहीं होते हैं. Okay, that is there. And they were conservative की जो policies थी, of course they were the ones who were working with the rulers. जो राजे महाराजे काम करते थे, the people, the rulers who were ruling, the rulers who were once upon a time the most powerful people, conservatives were those people who were supporting the rulers. So पहला पॉइंट जो आ रहा है, that conservatives were opposed to liberals and radicals. लिबरल्स और रेडिकल्स के खिलाफ थे. पहला तो ये आ रहा है पॉइंट, ठीक है, क्योंकि वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट ऑल दीज थ्री ग्रुप्स. आगे की जितनी कहानी है, आगे की कहानी मीन्स इन द होल चैप्टर व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट रशिया, वी नीड टू टॉक अबाउट दीज थ्री ग्रुप्स इन डिटेल. So you need to know about the liberals, the radicals and the conservatives. And French Revolution के बाद तो क्या हुआ, conservatives had opened their minds to changes. उनको भी लगा कि थोड़ा बहुत चेंज तो जरूरी है. Okay, but after French Revolution, they also supported change. इनको भी लगता था कि चेंज होना तो जरूरी है. चेंजेस आर इनएविटेबल. एंड 18th सेंचुरी में कंजर्वेटिव्स ने क्या किया, दे टिल 18th सेंचुरी तक दे वर अपोज्ड टू द आइडिया ऑफ चेंज. दे सेड क्यों सोसाइटी में चेंज करना है, जो चीज जैसे चल रही है वैसी चलने दो. आई टोल्ड यू ना, कंफर्टेबिलिटी एवरीबडी लाइक्स. एंड दे वर द वंस हु वर विद द रूलर्स, हु वर सपोर्टिंग द रूलर्स, and a lot of money, lot of privileges they were enjoying. So they did not want changes on a large scale. They were opposed to that. And 19th century के आसपास क्या हुआ, they accepted that some changes was inevitable. क्या हुआ, till 18th century they opposed changes in society, and from 19th century they accepted that changes are inevitable. चेंज नहीं रोक सकते, ठीक है. somehow the changes are important and changes cannot be done. And they believed, इनको ये विश्वास था कि past has to be. लेकिन इनको लगता था that the way the rulers were being treated, राजाओं का राज खत्म होता जा रहा था, and the rulers were being mistreated by the common people. This was wrong. Actually it is wrong. जो राजा हैं, अभी तक जिन्होंने राज किया है, अभी तक जिन्होंने प्रजा की देखभाल की है, सडनली ट्रीटिंग देम, सडनली मिसट्रीटिंग देम इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल, ठीक है. लेकिन दे सेड कि अच्छा है अपने कल्चर को, अपने ट्रेडिशन को बचा के रखना है. They believed that the culture, the system should be preserved and change had to be brought about through slow process. They wanted that past should be respected and change has to be brought in a slow process. इन्होंने कहा चलो ठीक है, चेंज लाना चाहते हो, चेंज करो, सोसाइटी में बदलाव की जरूरत है, चलो मान लिया. दे एक्सेप्टेड कि चेंज इज इनएविटेबल. लेकिन क्या हुआ कि विद द चेंज फॉरगेटिंग द पास्ट इज नॉट डन. इवन आई ऑल्सो सपोर्ट दिस आइडिया. चेंज इज इनएविटेबल. ऑब्वियसली चेंज इज द लॉ ऑफ नेचर, ठीक है. पत्ता झड़ता है पेड़ से, फिर पत्ते आते हैं, ये हम आप तो नहीं कर रहे हैं. दिस इज हैपनिंग नेचुरली. सो विच इज नेचुरल, लेट्स एक्सेप्ट इट. When naturally changes are happening, we need to accept it. That is what conservatives have done. They accepted the changes naturally and they respected the changes. Change has to be brought about through a slow process. धीरे धीरे changes लेके आना है. That was needed. तो क्या हुआ, यही चीज था कि अचानक से बिल्कुल overnight changes is not good. Got it? And society में there should be changes, and social and political turmoil was going on. Some people were supporting the changes, some people were opposing the changes. इसके चक्कर में what happened, all these things that was happening, there was the French Revolution. Amongst all these turmoil, societal changes, the French Revolution had happened, and various attempts were there. Revolution में national transformation was there 19th century में. तो limits was decided, and it was decided कि ये जो political changes हो रहे हैं, whatever political changes are happening, how it is going to shape the future. आगे की चीजें किस तरह से decide होंगी, ये इन्हीं changes से decide होने वाला था. Got it? So, when we understand socialism in Europe and we understand the Russian Revolution, we need to be very sure about it that Russian Revolution that had happened, it was amalgamation of the ideas of liberals, radicals and conservatives. ये जो liberals थे, radicals थे और conservatives थे, इनके ideas को मिला के ही सोसाइटी में काफी तरीके से चेंजेस हो रहे थे. Got it? Now what happens when we go further? This is how the introduction part of a Russian Revolution had taken place, where we have been talking about these three groups in detail. When we discuss these three groups, after that we need to understand the major change processes that had happened. So we need to understand the society of Russia, industrial society and the social change. Got it? There was a social change that was happening on a very large scale. इसमें industrial society was playing a major role. Industrial society was not common and not found all over the world, but at some places it was found in abundance. Industrial society was in a big number, and social changes were happening. How these social changes were happening because of this industrial society, we need to understand that. So, political trends that were happening, it was the sign of new time. में क्या हो रहा था सबसे ज्यादा, the maximum changes that were happening in the new times was the political changes. Politics, leaders, followers, the king, the people who are living in the king's dynasty, everybody was changing. So it was a time where profound social and economic changes were happening. It was a time when profound social and economic changes were happening. Got it? अब क्या हुआ? New cities were coming up. नए नए शहर आ रहे थे. Yes, what happens is कि there are two concepts. एक होता है urbanization, other is industrialization. Because of urbanization also industrialization happens, लेकिन urbanization is majorly dependent on industrialization. Industry किसी ने खाली जगह देखी? On a 100 acre of land, one industry is open. इंडस्ट्री ओपन हो गई, पीपल स्टार्ट वर्किंग इन दैट इंडस्ट्री, दे स्टार्ट सेटलिंग, घर बनाने लगते हैं, दुकानें खुलने लगती हैं, एंड अर्बनाइजेशन हैपेंस. सो दिस इज व्हाट वाज द टाइम new cities came up and new industrialized regions developed. Just now the concept that I was explaining. Okay, new cities came up. So I told you that it is vice versa. या तो city established हो गई, लेकिन generally what happened, industries were established followed by the establishment of the cities. Railways expanded and industrial revolution occurred. Railways expanded and industrial revolution occurred. इंडस्ट्रियल रिवोल्यूशन हुआ एंड रेलवेज भी काफी तेजी से बढ़ गए. दिस इज हाउ दैट द सिस्टम वाज चेंजिंग. अब क्या हुआ, इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन की वजह से men, women, children, they came to the factories. काम करेंगे ना, इंडस्ट्रीज आर ओपनिंग, तो somebody has to work at that. So the people who were living in the rural areas, they started coming to the industrial areas and urbanization happened. शहरों का की स्थापना हुई. I'm explaining in the simple language. Got it? So industrialization brought men, women and children to factories. एंड बिलीव मी, अर्लियर टाइम्स में ना men, women, मतलब एक आदमी काम कर रहा है, उसकी पूरी फैमिली उस इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रही है, इवन द चिल्ड्रन. तो दिस वॉज अ बिग सोशल थ्रेट कि आप बच्चों से जब काम कराने लगते हैं ना, व्हेन द चिल्ड्रन आर इन्वॉल्व इनटू दिस काइंड ऑफ मजदूरी वाला काम, this is harmful for the society because development of the society stops. Children are brought to work, which is very harmful for the future generations. कैसे society बनेगी? How will the society be made? Okay, and unemployment, work hours were long and wages were poor. सारे लोग इंडस्ट्रीज में काम कर रहे हैं, फैक्ट्रीज में, so and work hours were long and wages were poor. सैलरी बहुत कम मिलती थी. ठीक है, इंडस्ट्रीज जो लगा रहे हैं ऑब्वियसली वो सैलरी कम देंगे ना. हाउ वाई विल दे गिव मोर सैलरी? दैट इज देयर. ओके, सो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बहुत थी. मेनी पीपल वेर अनएम्प्लॉयड. तो when unemployment is high, तो there is a lot of chance of negotiation. 10 रुपए में काम करोगे? नहीं. 10 रुपए में नहीं, हम 15 में काम करेंगे. अच्छा चलो जाओ. 10 रुपए में काम करने वालों की भी लाइन लगी हुई है. That is how. This is what happens when unemployment is on a very large scale. There is lot of chance of negotiation and the wages decrease. लोगों को कम से कम सैलरी मिलती है and low demand. Industrial goods, बहुत मैन्युफैक्चरिंग वॉज ऑन अ लार्ज स्केल. क्या होता है कि व्हेन चेंजेस हैपन, पीपल एक्सेप्ट द चेंजेस एंड दैट इज अ वेरी स्लो प्रोसेस. चेंजेस तो हो गए, लेकिन सारे लोग चेंजेस एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पाते ना. आपको आदत पड़ी हुई है, आप हैंडमेड गुड्स यूज करने की आदत है, तो सडनली ये मशीन मेड गुड्स आते हैं मार्केट में, तो यू आर नॉट यूज टू दिस काइंड ऑफ मशीन मेड गुड्स. So people who were coming to the city area, जो शहरों में आ रहे थे काम करने के लिए, उनको घर नहीं मिल रहा. There was hardly any place for them to settle down. Okay, so housing problem and sanitation. ठीक है, साफ सफाई. ठीक है, where problems since towns were growing rapidly. Where problems since towns were growing रैपिडली। शहर तेजी से बढ़ रहे थे एंड शहरों में लोगों को आना था काम करने के लिए, लेकिन काम तो कर रहे हैं, रहने की जगह नहीं है। एंड रहने की जगह भी जो है इट्स वेरी कंजस्टेड इन अ वेरी स्मॉल प्लेस, लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर स्टेइंग, काफी सारे लोग रह रहे हैं। सो लिबरल्स एंड रेडिकल्स दे सर्च फॉर अ सॉल्यूशन टू दीज इश्यूज। जो लोग कोशिश कर रहे थे इन इश्यूज को सॉल्व करने के लिए वो थे लिबरल्स एंड रेडिकल्स सर्च्ड solutions for these problems। भैया प्रॉब्लम है तो प्रॉब्लम को ऐसे ही थोड़ी परसिस्ट करने देना है, प्रॉब्लम का कोई ना कोई उपाय भी तो निकालना है। देयर हैज टू बी सम एंड जितनी भी all these industries that were established, big industries were established, these industries were property of individuals। Industries were property of individuals। Liberals and radicals ना कभी कभी they were only property owners and employers। Sometimes liberals and radicals, sometimes liberals and radicals were property owners। Got it? They own property, ये लोगों को एम्प्लॉय कर रहे थे एंड दे फेल्ट कि ट्रेड, दे हैव डन लॉट ऑफ ट्रेड एंड इंडस्ट्रियल वेंचर्स, कि they felt these kind of efforts should be encouraged where people are involved in some or the other activity, its benefits would be achieved। ये सारी चीजों का बेनिफिट तभी मिल सकता है if the workforce in the economy was healthy and citizens were educated। ठीक है, economy can improve if workforce जो काम कर रहे हैं is healthy and educated। जो लोग काम कर रहे हैं भैया पहले तो उनकी सेहत है ना, if they are not healthy, हमेशा बीमार रहेंगे तो काम क्या करेंगे? Maximum time and maximum money will go for their medication only। So the first issue that needs to be sorted out is looking after the needs of these workers। Got it? Rest we will be continuing in the next class, children। Okay, till then just keep revising and seek the video।
So children, just now that we have discussed, we have tried to understand the Russian society, we have tried to understand the industrial society, and we have tried to understand the social changes that were happening. These were part and parcel of the Russian revolution। इंडस्ट्रियल सोसाइटी को समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है बिकॉज दैट इज़ वेयर द कंप्लीट मूवमेंट हैव टेकन प्लेस इन अ वेरी बिग मैनर। काफ़ी बड़े तरीके से ये मूवमेंट कैरी फॉरवर्ड हुआ। many people were affected। we need to understand it in detail because it had a far reaching impact on the lives of the people। okay, इसमें कुछ new words हैं children, you have to go through these new words, all the chapters that are there, every page some new words are there। when you prepare for your examinations don't miss these new words। okay, so यहाँ पे suffragette movement है। एक मैं आपको पिक्चर दिखाना चाहती थी, ये देखो, दिस इज अ पेंटिंग ऑफ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड 1861 में। हाँ, ये देखो समझने की चीज़ है। इसमें मैं अब आपको क्या दिखाना चाह रही हूँ कि हम खाली इंडिया में दिखाते हैं गरीब लोग हैं, पुअर पीपल आर देयर, लेकिन दिस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट लंदन। जरा लंदन के पुअर लोगों की हालत भी देख लो। Look at the condition of the poor people in London. Got it? ये आप देखिए यहाँ पे. And these poor people and their unfortunate lives, I have to say this thing, we have to be very sure about it. इस चीज़ को बिल्कुल ध्यान से देखना, ध्यान से समझना, तभी आपको समझ में आएगा कि ये पुअर पीपल, देयर कंडीशन इज सेम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. क्या ठीक बैठे हुए हैं, एंजॉय करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, खाना भी वहीं बन रहा है. लाइफ इज लाइफ. ओके चिल्ड्रन, टिल देन थैंक यू सो मच.